Sutherland.
Yes, we're calling Damon right now. In fact, I'm going to dial.
Yes, he is the director of a Marathon of Sport. It's with Motion Ball, of course, and they've got an intense day of activities planned, and it is all for a great cause, raising funds. So we're going to find out a little bit more about what's in store for today, how you can get involved. Thought he was going to answer right there.
Yeah, me too. Right away.
Felt it. Oh, morning.
Is that Damon?
It is Damon, yes.
Hi, you're live on CP24 Breakfast Weekend with Pooja and Anika, and I know you're already up and ready to go because you have a great day planned. Tell us a little bit more about the Marathon of Sport.
Yeah, we do have a great day planned. We're up at the hangar today. We have about 60 teams coming out to support Motion Ball, which is a charity that supports Special Olympics Canada Foundation.
Wow, and tell us a little bit about how much you've raised so far and how this all came about. Why did you decide to have the Marathon of Sport?
Yeah, so today we're going to, our goal is to raise $250,000. We're probably $245,000 of the way there, so we're hoping we'll get a final push today. Motion Ball at large over the last 11 years has raised over $4 million for Special Olympics as well, and it's just a great cause, especially with the Marathon of Sport. You get to spend a lot of time with the athletes, interacting with them, and down the road becoming friends with them as well.
And 600 young professionals participating in what I'm reading is an intense day of sports. What does that mean exactly?
That's right. So everyone has raised money through pledging, and that's going towards this intense day of sport. And what it is essentially we're playing sports from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. We're playing bench ball, we're playing soccer, flag football, ultimate frisbee, beach volleyball, and a number of other sports throughout the day.
Wow, and I did see a little ice cream. We're playing some video over top. So there's all these sports, and then there was some ice cream, and I got excited.
Yeah, and we do have some food trucks coming as well, and some outdoor activities. So the weather's looking fantastic for today also, so it's going to be a great day.
And what's the connection to Motion Ball, by the way?
So Motion Ball was actually started by the Etherington brothers. I've worked with Sean Etherington for just over 10 years now, and he originally got me involved, and now I'm the director of the Marathon of Sport here in Toronto. So the Etheringtons grew up supporting Special Olympics and wanted to get the next generation of donors involved through sport and activity, and this is what we came up with.
Wow. Well, we wish you all the best today, and we know it's going to be a great day, and hopefully you get to that goal. Thanks so much for joining us, Damon.
No problem. Thank you, guys. Appreciate the call.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Doing good things. Right now it's 7:27 and 12 degrees. You're watching CP24 Breakfast Weekend. We'll be right back.